Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best job site radios on Amazon. Are you looking for a solid audio system that can add a little bit of entertainment to your worksite? A job site radio doesn't need conventional plugs to work. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. DeWalt Portable Radio. This device offers a power output of 20 V and works on batteries and electric current. You can either plug it in the nearest wall outlet or switch to the battery mode when you're working outdoors. With 20 watts per woofer and tweeter, the DeWalt radio delivers rich and clear sound. The device comes with a powerful Bluetooth connection you can use from 100 feet away. There are also auxiliary and 2.1 amp USB charging ports for plugging in your phone and similar devices. You get a remote control to operate the device from a distance, which is rather convenient while working on large job sites. The main drawback of this product is the price. You have to pay a few more bucks to get such a powerful and sturdy stereo system. Number 2. DeWalt DWS-TO8810 Tough System Music Player. This is a portable device that's IP54 rated for dust and water resistance. The unit is also weather resistant and can be locked to prevent unauthorized access. The system provides a great balance of sound with 4 full-range tweeters and 1 subwoofer with an assisted bass resonator. The system runs on 12 and 20 volt max lithium-ion batteries and can also be plugged into a wall socket. The batteries charge in less than 90 minutes. It connects to Bluetooth-compatible devices at a range of 100 feet and has 2 USB ports. The system delivers loud sound with minimum distortion. In addition, an LED indicator displays the battery status: charging, charged, replace pack, and battery temperature. Number 3. Craftsman Bluetooth Speaker. Craftsman made a compact 20V radio to make your projects more fun. This little device has 2 stereo speakers that produce a quality sound and ensure more entertainment on the job site. You only need to get a battery or plug the device into an outlet and rock your favorite songs. The radio offers Bluetooth compatibility and an auxiliary output. You can connect your other smart devices to the radio and stream whatever song or playlist you want. The radio is simple, easy to use, and proves to be quite durable. You'll even get a 3-year warranty just in case. It's still good to keep in mind that some buyers weren't satisfied with the sound quality. For the price, the radio delivers decent but not crystal clear sound. The tones might get muffled at the lowest volume. If you want something more powerful, we recommend checking out other options on our list. Number 4. Bosch PowerBox Jobsite Radio. The Bosch PB360C is a well-built radio that's designed with a protective aluminum shield that resists water, dust, and other debris. A rubber roll cage fortifies the unit with protective bumpers that prevent the radio from being damaged by impact in case it falls. The unit features Bluetooth technology that connects to smartphones, MP3 players, and other smart devices within a range of 150 feet. It also allows you to stream internet radio. The unit features a pair of speakers, each located at either side of the unit, and a subwoofer that transmits sound in a 360-degree range. The sound system also has an equalizer function that allows you to adjust the bass and treble levels. The radio runs on 18-volt batteries and can be plugged into a 120-volt AC outlet. Its hard and portable design makes it suitable for the workplace and camping sites. What you may not like about the product is that the unit may go on an automatic lock mode. When that happens, the manual may not be of much help as the reset system may not work. Number 5. Makita RM02 Compact Jobsite Radio. This is a highly popular job site radio that features a compact and lightweight design. The device weighs only 1.7 pounds and offers a continuous performance of 30 hours. The impressive working ability makes the Makita radio perfect for those who are always on the go and want to take their music with them. The Makita radio has 2 built-in speakers and an intuitive interface. There's also an auxiliary port for connecting it with your phone, MP3, iPod, or other smart devices. Therefore, along with AM and FM radio, you can enjoy personal playlists by streaming music from your devices. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.